Hello learners, my name is Ms. Disha Vinodkar, an assistant professor in chemistry at Ganpat Pasekar College of Education, Goa. So today I welcome you all in this MCQ Solver course. So today's module will be focused on solving questions based on carbonyl compounds. So let's get started with the first question, which states that the reagent used for the formation of 1-phenyl ethanol from benzaldehyde is dash. Options given are methyl iodide and magnesium, methyl bromide and aluminum chloride, methyl iodide, ethyl iodide and magnesium. So here, one of the methods for preparation of secondary alcohol is by reacting aldehydes with Grignard reagent. So here 1-phenyl ethanol is a type of a secondary alcohol formed by reaction of benzaldehyde with methyl bromide and magnesium. This is commonly known as Grignard reagent. So the reaction involved is reacting benzaldehyde to give 1-phenyl ethanol. So the correct option will be option A, that is methyl iodide and magnesium. Moving on to the next question, which states that chemist reacts the following molecule with sodium borohydride. Which functional group is formed in this reaction? Options given are carboxylic acid, primary alcohol, aldehyde and secondary alcohol. We know that sodium borohydride is reducing agent. So here compound given contains ketone group. So mostly aldehydes are reduced by sodium hydroxide to primary alcohol and ketones are reduced by sodium borohydride to secondary alcohol. So the correct option will be D, that is secondary alcohol. Moving on to the next, predict the product of the following named reaction. Given are cyclohexanone reacting with 3-chloroperbenzoic acid. So here from this reaction we can say that it is an example of Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, that is oxidative cleavage of carbon-carbon bond adjacent to carbonyl group. So here it converts ketone to ester and cyclic ketones to lactones. So in the options given there is only one option, that is B, which is cyclic ketone. So the correct option is option B. Question 4, which states that which of the following reagent will give effective transformation of given compounds? Here are the options given. So here it is an example of Wittig reaction wherein carbonyl groups react with alkylidine phosphorants, commonly known as ylides, leading to formation of alkene and triphenyl phosphine oxide. So here phosphorus ylides are formed when triphenyl phosphine and primary and secondary alkyl halide react in presence of strong base such as sodium hydride. So the correct option will be option C. Moving on to the next question 5. Here assertion is given which states that the alpha hydrogen in carbonyl compound is less acidic, and the reason is the anion formed after the loss of alpha hydrogen atom is resonance stabilized. So option A is assertion is wrong but reason is correct. B is assertion and reason both are correct. C is assertion is correct but reason is wrong, and D is assertion and reason both are wrong. So here assertion is wrong because hydrogen next to carbonyl are highly acidic in nature, and due to this electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl group and resonance stabilization of conjugate base. So the correct option will be option A, that is assertion is wrong but reason is correct. Moving on to the next question, question number 6. A compound A having molecular formula C5H10O forms a phenyl hydrazone and gives negative tolerance reagent test and also iodoform test. So this on further reduction with zinc and mercurius chloride, compound A gives N-pentane. So the compound A is dash. Options are primary alcohol, B is aldehyde, C1 is secondary alcohol, and D1 is ketone. So here in first step, CpH10O forms phenyl hydrogen. So formation of phenyl hydrogen shows that the carbonyl compound should be carbonyl. In question it is also mentioned that it gives negative Tollens and iodoform test. This shows that absence of aldehyde and methyl ketone. Therefore it is confirmed that starting compound must be 3-pentanone. Also on Clemmensen reduction, that is using zinc amalgam, reduction of carbonyl to N-heptane shows also presence of starting material, that is pentane 3-on. So correct answer will be option D, that is ketone. Moving to next question 7. Cannizzaro reaction is not given by dash. Options are as given. So here Cannizzaro reaction is only given by compounds which don't contain alpha hydrogen. But here in all options there is absence of alpha hydrogen except option B, there is an alpha hydrogen. So it will not undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So the correct option will be option B. Moving on to the last question. Which combination of carbonyl compounds gives phenyl-vinyl ketone and aldol condensation? Option A is acetophenone and aldehyde, B is benzaldehyde and ketone, C is benzaldehyde and aldehyde, and D is acetophenone and ketone. So the given molecule can be mostly obtained by aldol reaction, wherein carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogens condense in presence of dilute base to form alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So here one phenylbutene 2-in-1-one can be formed by reacting acetophenone with acid aldehyde. So here acid aldehyde is an aldehyde. So correct option will be option A, acetophenone and aldehyde. Thank you for your attention.